go to the Tools panel in Illustrator, and I'm using 222. This is only available in 222. Make a very large rectangle, as much as you can. And once you've done that, go to 3D and materials. And a whole range of different materials here. I'm just going to go with one of these ones. That one looks quite a nice one. Just click it. As soon as you click it, you can see it rendering, and it's applied over here. You can modify it as a whole range of different settings, age, cracks, etc. Each and every one of those materials has got a range of options. They're not seamless. They're not seamless design, not very easy to create patterns from them. Now, I want to put this into a library, so go over to the selection tool and just drag over into the library. So within the library, you've got there, you can now go to Photoshop. So in Photoshop, you see exactly the same thing there. You can drag it from the library, and that's again window menu, and you can resize it. I'm just going to resize it a bit. That's why it's a good idea probably to create a very big rectangle in Illustrator. And you can resize it like that, press return, then go to layer and flatten image. And of course you can apply filters, effects, etc. So filters, down to stylize, maybe oil paint, etc. And you can see create all kinds of unique designs using that. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.